guys! What's up? It is Nadia Ari, also known as Meaning to Wonder. And today I will be showing you how to take your own Instagram pics. So I wouldn't say I am an expert in this, but I do know a little bit of taking self-portraits, and I just want to share that information with you guys. So this will be a two-part video. Part one would be how to take your Instagram pictures indoors and how to take your Instagram pictures outdoors. There's a few different things, so I thought I should split it up into videos. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and start this video. Okay, so for me, step one of taking your own, step one for me to for taking your own Instagram pictures is finding inspiration. Inspiration is my number one thing when it comes to taking my pictures. You can find inspiration on Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, basically photo sites like those. I really like Instagram because they have a save feature. It's really awesome. I use it. I have so many different boards. So Pinterest, you can save there and make your own boards, but I usually use Instagram because that's just where most of my inspiration comes from. Step number two, tip number two of taking your own Instagram photos is to get comfortable. There's nothing more awkward than seeing a photo on Instagram and the person, you can tell the vibe of a photo just by people's positions and people's facial expressions. So I say get comfortable. The first few shots you're probably going to be uncomfortable and not liking it, but by the fifth or sixth shot you're going to be like, okay, I got this. You don't want to look uncomfortable. You don't want to look like you hate what you're doing. We all have insecurities. We all know. I would suggest finding out what you're insecure about and what you love about yourself, and then using those to your strengths. I don't know what number this is, but the next tip. Natural light is the best light. You probably know this. You should know this. I hate artificial light. You will not catch me unless I have to using artificial light. You'll just see me opening up windows. The more natural light you have, the better. So number four is to grab a prop. One of the number one things about photography is that people do wrong, especially me, because that's why I don't photograph people. I only photograph myself and then landscapes, is because you have to know what to do with your hands. Just having a prop like flowers, I don't have flowers, fake flowers, a book, a gaming controller, a knife. Okay, that was weird. I'm sorry. So with my camera, I use a DSLR, but you can also use your iPhone. I would suggest getting a Joby tripod because they have the iPhone clips. But I just use my DSLR because it's easy. One of the things that I need for my DSLR, because a lot of tripods don't have the angle that I want, I get an L thing that looks like this. And I twist it onto my camera and then I make it into portrait, and it's easier for me to shoot. Okay, if you're wondering what I shoot with the Canon 60D with the 24 to 70mm, and I use the Manfrotto tripod. Really simple, you can get it at Best Buy. It does the job. So this is how I would have the camera set up, and as you can see, it is in portrait mode, and yeah, that's how I take my photos. When I take my pictures, I use the camera app that's on the iPhone. You can download it from App Store, and it's called Camera Connect, and it's for Canon iPhones, because Canon iPhones, Jesus, it's for Canon. It's for Canon cameras, and you just connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can actually see yourself in live view in real time. Yeah, so anyways, let's just get to the video because you're probably tired of hearing me talk, because I'm tired of hearing me talk. So let's just go to the visuals of me modeling awkwardly.